I'm Rob Miller, Tech Service Manager with BASF Canada, and today I'm going to talk about Engenia Herbicide for your Roundup Ready 2 Xtend soybeans. We often get asked, what are the benefits of using Engenia Herbicide? When applied from 200 to 400 mils per acre in tank mixed with glyphosate, it'll control a wide variety of weed species. And with the spread of resistant weeds, such as Group 2 and triazine-resistant lamb's quarters and redroot pigweed, as well as glyphosate-resistant species such as common water hemp and Canada fleabane, it's more important to incorporate multiple effective modes of action into your herbicide strategy and not rely on glyphosate alone. Another benefit to using Engenia Herbicide is its flexibility. With its highly concentrated formulation and lower use rate, it allows you to get across more acres per jug. It also is available in convenient bulk packaging and can be applied pre-plant, pre-emergence, or very early post-emergence, and is a great option for growers with a variety of needs. For the most effective coverage of Engenia Herbicide, be sure to follow best practices. They include nozzles. Use nozzles that produce extremely coarse to ultra coarse droplets. Wind speed is also important. For optimal performance, apply between 3 and 16 kilometers an hour. Also be sure to maintain sprayer ground speed at 25 kilometers or less. Be sure to keep the spray boom height no greater than 50 centimeters above the crop canopy. Sensitive crop awareness is also very important. Understand where some of these sensitive crops are grown in relation to your field in order to minimize the risk potential. Use a spray volume of 10 gallons or more per acre in order to maximize coverage, and only use approved tank mixes and adjuvants that are on the label. And finally, sprayer cleanout is crucial. Be sure to clean all the tanks, pumps, lines, filters, screens, and nozzles with a strong detergent base and triple rinse your sprayer in order to avoid contamination in the following tank. What happens during a temperature inversion is that the small spray particles will stay suspended in the air. Therefore, they're at a greater risk of off-target movement when the wind currents do start to pick up. Therefore, if you have clear skies, no wind, dew present, you shouldn't be applying any herbicide in order to mitigate the risk of off-target movement. Another valuable resource to help you plan your Engenia herbicide application is the Engenia Spray Tool. It provides live weather updates such as temperature, rainfall, and inversion potential all in one spot. For more information, please visit engeniaspraytool.com.